How to make $100 per day on YouTube with AdSense. I'm going to show you a very simple mathematical equation that you can use as a blueprint to get yourself to $100 per day from your YouTube videos. I'm going to show you how to do it right now, so stick around. Hey, welcome to the video. I'm Owen Video, YouTube monetization expert, and I'm glad that you're here because today I'm going to show you the blueprint for how to make $100 per day on YouTube. Now, $100 per day. Think about that for just a second. That's huge. $100 per day is $3,000 a month. So if you're a brand new YouTuber, it could very well be that, $3,000 a month means you don't ever have to go get a job. For those of you that are working jobs now, $3,000 a month means that you could maybe go part-time or work less and become more of a full-time YouTuber. So this goal that I'm going to show you here today is a big goal, okay? But it's something that's totally achievable. Now, if this goal overwhelms you, remember, I'm showing you math here. So you could break this down into $50 a day or even $25 a day if you wanted to. So don't get too overwhelmed in the program. Okay, so how do you make $100 per day on YouTube? Well, it all starts with your CPM, okay? And your CPM is your cost per mil, which means how much YouTube pays you for 1,000 views of your video. Now, it's important to understand as a side note that these 1,000 views, they don't count if the viewer skips the ad, okay? So the viewer has to watch a certain amount of the ad. And you get paid more money if they watch more of the ad. You also get paid more money if they buy the product or even click on the product that was advertised in the advertising video. Okay, so your CPM, what YouTube pays you per 1,000 views, is gonna change for every single viewer that comes to your channel, and that's okay. You want to figure out your CPM is actually an average of an individual video and also of your channel as a whole. Now, if you are into topics like this and you want to know more about how to monetize your YouTube channel, then you're going to want to subscribe because we talk about this every single week, and I've got more videos coming up real soon. Now, I was talking to my good friend Jeremy Vest over at Creator Motivation, and he's helped lots of channels make lots of money with YouTube AdSense. And what he told me is that a lot of his client channels are making anywhere from $4 CPM to $12 CPM, okay? So that's a big sliding scale. Now, for this example, we're gonna use the number $8 CPM, okay? So in other words, for every 1,000 views that you get on your videos, you're making approximately $8, okay? So in order to make $8 a day, you need to get 1,000 views per day. If you wanna make $100 per day, then we've gotta figure out how many views per day that you need to make that kind of money. Here's how we figure that out. We take the number $100 and we divide it by $8, your CPM, and that gives us 12.5. In other words, we need 12.5 views 1,000 times, or 12.5 units of 1,000 views in order to make $100 per day. So the next thing we do is take 12.5 and multiply it by 1,000 views to give us the number 12,500. And this is the answer to our problem. When you get 12,500 monetized views per day at an average of $8 CPM, you will make $100 per day on YouTube. So now your goal is to get that many views per day. It's as easy as that. And your whole content strategy, everything you do on YouTube, if that's your goal to make $100 per day, that becomes what you're focused on. You need to get 12,500 monetized views per day. Okay, so start making videos that are going to get you there. I've also made a video on how to make $100 per day with Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, and you can click that video as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Owen, and I'll see you in the next video.